Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhamed Fahmi bin Muhamed Zamri. Here I want to present our group presentation for microprocessor program-based learning. So our group chose a calculator as our topic. So basically, we designed a basic calculator. Here I want to introduce about what is microprocessor. So microprocessor is a computer's hardware that consists of electronic circuitry that stores instructions for the computer's basic operation and processes information from applications and programs. Microprocessors are computer chips which provide the required instructions and components to power of all computers' basic functions. A single integrated circuit, which is a collection of conducting material arranged on a plate, form most of modern microprocessors. Microprocessors are designed to receive electronic signals according to instructions performance processes on entire dataset and program in the central processing unit and store in the memory of the computer. Then they can generate output that can direct the functions of computing. So basically for our project, for our syllabus in this microprocessor subject, we learn about microprocessor 68K. So in this project, we use Easy68K software to run the coding and to design the calculator.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Fahmi bin Hanifuddin. So, in order to practice understanding and knowledge of Easy68K and the assembly language of this subject that have been learned, we need to design a system by using Easy68K software and complete the project-based learning. So, as a result of our discussion, we decide to design a calculator. As we know, calculator is an electronic device that can perform any complex calculation, especially scientific calculator that have many functions to perform. It is very important in engineering field because calculation always related to it. But in this project, we design a calculator with few basic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Even though we design a simple calculation, but it is quite difficult and complex to program it for beginner like us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. So as my previous group members stated that our project is based on a calculator program, so this is the coding for the calculator program. So we begin the coding with doing the mouse down IRQ coding. So this IRQ coding is done when the mouse is pressed or released in the output window. It means we cannot enter the values for the calculator through our keyboard numpads. We have to use our mouse manually to input the number. And we have this trap15 coding, and basically this trap15 coding is for input and output. So there is this subroutine coding. We have the basic codings that we have learned in our syllabus: load effective address, push effective address, and branch to subroutines. And then we can go more further down, and then we can see the codings for the operations of calculator like division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. And then we have this mouse down IRQ coding again, and then we have a little bit of if-else statement for the part below down here for the equate coding part. And then for division, multiplication, we have these if-else statements. And then scrolling further down, we have these variables. These variables are the variables that we use on the output window of the calculator, where there's few buttons such as clear, equate, division, multiplication, subtraction, addition. Fill is basically about the size. We have long word, and so on. And then we have from 0 to up to 9 the numbers on calculator. And then this is basically the coding of the output window where the calculator is in the rectangle shape. So for clear, we have the symbol CE, For equate, we have the symbol equals. For division, we have this slash symbol. For multiplication, as usual, the x. Subtraction and plus it. Whatever we put over here, it will be appear in the output window. So let's say if I put it here, just another plus here. Later on, there will be a plus in the output window as well when we run the program. So let's say I add a plus over here, and then I run the program. So this is the calculator over here. So we can see over here there are 2 plus because I added it here at the rectangle text for the output over here. So this is the calculator. Now I'll close it. I'll just delete it and run it. So this is our system, our whole program for the calculator. This is how the output looks like. Thank you.
As you can see here now at the screen, this is the calculator that we make for our project. This calculator can only be worked by using the mouse, and it cannot work when using keyboard. Okay, to use the calculator, just click the number or input for the first input. Then we choose the operation. For the sake for this video, I will only use plus. Then put the second input. Then to get the output, we just click at the equal here to get the output or the answer for the operation. As you can see, this is the output or answer for our operation now. Then if you want to use it again, just click clear here or CE. Then we can use it again there, as you can see. Okay, that's all. And as for the conclusion for our project, the objective already been achieved. Although the objective has been achieved, when we doing the project or the coding for this project, we encounter a few problems that are difficult to solve. So by referring to the module and the example provided by EZ68K, we can solve it. And thank you so much, Doctor, for teaching us. That's all. Thank you. Ciao.